Getting an error when trying to create a new Instagram account? You're not alone. Millions of people face this problem every day. Don't worry, I'll show you exactly how to fix it, step by step.
Let's look at the most common error messages you might see. Sorry, something went wrong creating your account. Please try again soon. Or maybe, we restrict certain activity to protect our community. Or this email is already in use. These errors can appear at any step during sign-up. The good news is that each one has a specific fix.
Solution 1. Wait and retry. This is the simplest fix. Instagram rate limits, sign-up attempts. Each failed attempt resets the timer. Close the Instagram app completely. Wait at least 24 hours. Do not try to create an account during the waiting period. Then reopen the app and try again. This single step fixes the problem for most people.
Solution 2. Use different credentials. Instagram allows up to 5 accounts per phone number and email address. If you have reached this limit, you need fresh credentials. Prepare a new email address not linked to any Instagram account. Use a phone number with fewer than 5 accounts. Choose a unique username with only letters, numbers, periods, or underscores. Create a strong password with at least 6 characters. Then try the sign-up process again with these new credentials.
Solution 3. Switch between the app and the website. If the mobile app is failing, open your desktop browser and go to Instagram.com. Click Sign Up in the top right corner. Fill in your email or phone number, full name, username, and password. Click the blue Sign Up button and enter the verification code. If the website fails instead, try the mobile app. Different platforms use different API endpoints and may not share the same restrictions.
Solution 4. Clear the app cache and reinstall Instagram. On Android, go to Settings, then Apps, then Instagram, then Storage. Tap Clear Cache and then Clear Data. On iPhone, go to Settings, find Instagram, and tap Offload App or Delete App. Then reinstall Instagram from the App Store or Google Play. Open the fresh app and attempt sign up again. This removes corrupted temporary files that may be blocking registration.
Solution 5. Change your network or IP address. Instagram may have flagged your IP address due to multiple sign-up attempts. If you are on Wi-Fi, switch to mobile data and try again. If you are on mobile data, connect to a different Wi-Fi network. If you are using a VPN, disable it completely. You can also restart your router to get a new IP address. This bypasses IP-level blocks and restrictions.
Solution 6. Sign up using your Facebook account. On the Instagram welcome screen, tap Continue with Facebook. Log into Facebook if prompted and grant Instagram permission. Instagram creates your account using your Facebook profile data. Choose an available username and complete your profile setup. This method bypasses some standard verification checks because Facebook accounts are pre-verified by Meta.
Now let's understand why this error happened. The most common cause is rate limiting from too many sign-up attempts. Second, your email or phone number may have reached the account limit. Third, network issues like IP bans or VPN interference. Fourth, app bugs from outdated versions or corrupted cache. And fifth, Instagram security systems flagging suspicious activity.
To prevent this error in the future, follow these tips. Use a unique email not linked to any Instagram account. Do not attempt sign up more than 3 times in 24 hours. Keep your Instagram app updated to the latest version. Use a stable home network instead of public Wi-Fi. And always enter accurate information during sign-up.
If this video helped you create your Instagram account, please hit that like button and subscribe for more quick fixes. Drop a comment below if you have any questions, and I will see you in the next one.